Hi, I'm Val. I'm founder of Cupcake Development. We're a small team of dedicated developers with more than 10 years of experience. We offer various services including web and mobile apps development, SPA development, browser extension development, in industries including online shopping, security niche, AV companies, cashback and coupon apps, just to name a few. We build products that people can actually use. With our experience, we may consult you how to achieve business goals even better in more efficient way. It's my personal passion. So why waste my lifetime on doing anything else, right? We have clients in the USA, Europe, and all the way to Australia. And our team is also spread across the globe. You know what success means to me personally? It's when 95% of our clients are getting back to us with something else over and over again. We're handling it the way that we're establishing a long-term relationship with everyone. Let's get in touch. We can discuss how we can help you build something great as well. Cheers!